Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can reset Microsoft OneDrive password. Here I can type OneDrive, then scroll down and let me go here. Now here I can add email. So let me copy it and add here. Then after that click here next button. So now click the button send code, and now we will get here Microsoft code. Then we need to copy this code and add here. After that scroll down, then click here button yes. So now you can see I'm logged in into OneDrive.